be, so we have created purchase equation and RFQs and price comparisons and purchase orders. So we have completed these steps, right? So
Yeah.
now the next step is goods receipt. Okay. So
Yeah.
has a process P2P process, procurement to pay process. Okay. So once you are raised the order, okay. Once you raise the order, so what is the purchase order which we created yesterday? So this is the purchase order which we created yesterday,
Yeah.
right? So okay. So once you created the purchase order, so what you need to do, you need to be, if you want to be follow up to the vendor, you can follow up that. Okay. You can maintain that output type to remind the message to them. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So now what it will be next step is, okay, so now I order the product, now I'm planning to get the stock. Okay, so
Yeah.
uh the vendor, he confirmed that, okay, I have sent the products to you, please receive the product. So what we'll do, we'll be receiving the goods using the moment type using the MIGO transaction code. So the transaction
As
code
you see.
is MIGO. Okay, the
Yeah.
transaction code is MIGO.
Yeah.
So in MIGO, what will be happen? There are so many options are there. Okay, so you need to be selected whether you want to be perform the goods receipt, you want to be perform the return delivery, you want to be perform the cancellation. All this process we can do it. Okay,
Yeah.
so now I'm talking about the goods receipt. You need to be select the goods receipt and the purchase order and you enter the PO number here. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
once you enter the purchase order number here, okay, so the data will be captured automatically from the PO to here. Okay, you ordered 1,000 pieces, you ordered 10,000 pieces. Okay, in the purchase order, that details will come. Okay, so what you need to do, you might be changing that. Okay, how many quantity you received, you can modify that quantity. Okay, let's
Yeah.
assume that I have received only 500 pieces. Okay, I'm just entering the 500 pieces here. Okay,
Yeah.
and if I go
Yeah.
to second, so the first item which I received. Now, if I want to go for the second item, you need to be click on here. Okay, and you order 10,000 pieces for this material, 100-200. So now you are planning to receive only 5,000 pieces. Suppose you received only 5,000 pieces. Then what you can enter? You can enter that. Okay, I just received only 5,000 pieces. Okay, my
Okay. So you were expecting to receive 10,000, but they only gave 5,000.
yeah, we received only 5,000. So you ordered two
Oh.
laptops, but you received only one laptop. Okay.
Oh.
Correct.
Yeah.
So based on that, I'm doing the goods receipt. You are verifying that how much quantity you received and where you want to be placed exactly, the location where you want to be placed. So in the plant, we have the different locations are there, store locations,
Yeah.
where we can
Yeah.
keep the raw materials, packing materials, production process, everything it will be happen. So where exactly you are doing the store location. Okay. So exactly you
Yeah.
are where you're placing. So you can go to first also and enter the store locations. Whatever the store location we have, you can enter. Okay. So the store location, it will be display here. Okay. Ashley
Yeah.
Lodges. Okay. Now, now you can just cross check that. Okay, this is the material which we received, and this is the product which we received. This is the quantity we received. Okay, and this is the plant, and this is the store location, and this is the purchase order number is correct. Okay,
Yeah.
and this is the requisitioners, and partner is the he is the partner we received. Okay, then just select the item. Okay, okay, this item is okay. Okay,
Yeah.
now let's go to the next item. Okay, next go to the next item and select that. Okay, again check that this is the product which we ordered. So how many items are there? Every item you need to be validate. Okay, just need to be validate all the data. Okay, everything if it looks good, then okay, then select this item. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, in case if the user says that okay, okay, he says that okay, I cannot supply more on this product because I have only 5,000 pieces. Even in future also, it's not possible. Then you can select that. Okay, set delivery completion indicator set. Okay, so
Yeah.
if I put the set means, so I'm not expecting any deliveries from the this vendor on this
Yeah.
product. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. If you selected set automatically, then once you receive all the products, that means 10,000 pieces you received, then the system automatically set that indicator, okay, the delivery which is completed on this product. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I am item okay. Then first you need to be checked that, okay, is that all the entries which is good or not. So first you need to be validate. Okay. Then when just click on the check, the system will check that all the parameters. If there is anything which is wrong, then it will be give them messages or error messages or warning message. If it is yellow color, that is a warning message. If it is red color, error message. Okay. If it is red
Okay.
color, what will happen? If it is red light,
Error,
what will happen? The
error
system will
message.
not, yeah, the system will not allow to post the GR. Okay.
Yeah.
If it
Good.
is yellow color, then you just check that, okay, what it is. Actually, you ordered 1,000 pieces, then you got received 500 pieces. That is one, and you ordered 10,000 pieces, but you received 5,000 pieces. Then, so this is the warning. Okay, you okay? I'm okay. I know that the information, so I'm just
Yeah.
skipping. Okay, so
Yeah.
then you can post that. Click on post. Okay, so if everything looks good, all the configuration we set and everything it is there, then the system will automatically post the document. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the document number which is posted. To identify this post, okay, I can go to display and click to see that the, the document number here. Okay,
Yeah.
clear?
Yeah.
So this is the way we are doing the goods receipt. Okay, I can now I can go to PO. What is the display of the PO? Purchase order, transaction code display,
ME 51. I mean, sorry, ME 52. Sorry,
display of purchase order, display of
ME
the purchase order,
52. Or purchase.
display of the purchase
Change,
order.
change purchase order.
No, display purchase order, display purchase order. ME 23N. Okay, hello.
Yeah, yeah, I see it.
Uh,
Oh, why I wrote down the wrong. Wait.
display. I will be
I
go
think
to
I wrote down the wrong one in my notes. I mixed it up.
okay. So you have this one, right?
Yeah.
So I'll just give you one link. Okay, I'm just uploading there. Okay, you just refer that and you can watch the video. Okay, so
Yeah.
that you can so might be you don't have the recording video, right? So I'm uploading and you can download from there and you can look into that. Okay, so I'll
Okay.
give you
Yeah.
that link. Okay, I'll just give you the link. Okay, now
In the chat.
okay,
In the
so
chat.
yeah, I'll give you. Okay, now
Okay.
the goods receipt which is posted. Okay, now you can see go to purchase order history. Okay, purchase
Yeah.
order history, and you can see that there is a document which is posted. Okay,
Yeah.
MIGU. That means if I get the purchase order history, that means something which is posted on this PO. If it is
Yeah.
not getting any purchase order history, then there is no document which is posted. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, so
Yeah.
if something which is posted, then it will display. So here what it is displaying here, okay, I posted the goods receipt. Here it's showing that goods receipt how much you posted 500 pieces which is posted. Okay,
Yeah.
so I can see the PO status as well, the status tab. Okay, you can see that how much you ordered, 10 plus 11, 10 plus 1, 11,000 pieces. Now how much you received? 5,500. That means
Yeah.
5,000 plus 500. So that
Yeah.
also you can see. Okay, so so that you can calculate that, okay, what is the remaining that and everything you can see here. Okay, and you can
Yeah.
click here also. You can click here also, you can see that how much it is received. Okay, for each item wise, you can click on here, there is a button for each item level. If you select a second item, okay, then it will be goes for second item.
Okay.
Okay,
And this is the history. Okay.
yeah, you can just need to be select here. Okay, and then it will go to second line item and you can see that, okay, 1,000 pieces ordered, but 500 pieces, 5,000 pieces only I received.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
I'll show you that where you can download this. Okay, I'm uploading every day because there is a too much space which is required in the drive. So what I'm doing,
Yeah.
I'm just downloading in the YouTube. You can refer
Oh.
in the YouTube. Okay, I'll go to the separate.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, nice.
So
I,
you
I
can
didn't know you
see,
had this.
yeah.
This is quite interesting. I'll
So
definitely subscribe to your channel.
yeah, so you can see here directly, okay, and you can download your videos because there are so many videos are there. Previous video classes, everything it is there because for our students, I uploaded all the videos, okay. But you just refer what it is required for you, okay, your class only.
Yeah, yeah, I'll go here. Yeah. So I can always look if I have any doubts on where to go in the system, I can look.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
okay. So I'll just give you this link, okay, to you, okay. Just subscribe that so that you can maybe you will get when it is download uploaded, okay, you can get
yeah,
the link that, okay,
notification. Yeah,
because I tried first initially to put it in drive, but so many accounts I created with drives, and people are asking maybe 5 years 6 years after also they are asking that, okay, could you please share that videos and all. So better, this is why the best way we can upload, so
yeah,
circulate to everyone, okay.
yeah,
So so you can refer to those videos, okay, and you can watch that, okay.
yeah.
Okay. So now this is one thing which you can understand here. So what we did as of now, what we did as
We
of now,
looked we looked at the goods receipt history.
yeah. So goods receipt, what we did goods receipt, we I went to MIGO, right? I went to
Yeah,
MIGO. Okay. Then
the
I
goods
selected
receipt.
that. I selected the goods receipt because I'm planning to do goods receipt, and my reference document is purchase order because I have the
Yeah,
purchase order number, and I entered my purchase order number, right? So even I
yeah.
can do, still I can do the goods receipt because why I can do still, because there is
The
some
PO
pending quantity there.
because they didn't give all of
Yeah,
the quantity.
we have received only partial quantity. Earlier we
Yeah,
have received only partial quantity. So still I have the pending quantity from this vendor. So you
yeah,
can do, still you can do here, and you can enter that how much quantity you received. Okay. And you can check item okay, and check that which store location you want to be received. Okay. And purchase order, partner details, everything you can check. And if you received only one item, then don't select the second item.
yeah,
Check box. Okay. If you received only one item, then don't select the second item. If you received both, then you can enter. And how much
yeah,
quantity is you can enter here. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Now this is the one thing which we can see. Okay. Now, so before going to this one, okay, I'm just want to show you that what is the next step if I receive a product, what we'll do. Once I receive the product, what we'll do.
We'll check and make sure that we received all the product. But if we
Mm,
didn't, then we will go to
okay.
goods receipt and then account for the partial inventory for what we have and what we don't have.
Okay. Then what is the next step?
And then
So let's think that. Okay. So you order some product, you receive that product. What you do next?
also storage where to store the product.
Okay, that's okay. You can, it's already stored. Okay, okay, it's already stored. But procurement point of view, what were the next step? So did you verify the invoice?
No.
So here the process is invoice verification.
Invoice verification. Oh,
Okay, that
because
means,
we have to pay for it still.
yeah, correct. So
Oh,
here once we receive the GR goods received, I got some bill from the vendor. Okay, so that was the invoice which we received from the vendor. I have to verify the invoice.
payment. Yeah,
Okay, so let's think that, okay, I got the invoice from the vendor. Okay, so I'm entering that those details here. Okay, so what is the transaction code here? MIRO.
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 Okay.
Okay, MIRO is the transaction code to invoice verification. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
now I'll be go to MIRO. Okay, now when you're planning to, when you got this invoice, okay, when the invoice date, okay, when you
Is it the
planning to,
date of delivery?
it is the date when invoice is generated,
Oh, okay.
okay, and posting date is that invoice when you receive the goods receipt, then posting date.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah,
Okay, then you can enter the PO number here. Okay, so enter the PO number. What is the PO number here? I have PO number. I can see the PO number here, details. Okay, I have PO number. Then I can go to PO number. Enter the PO number here. Okay,
yeah,
okay. I have the reference. Then enter. Okay, first time I will be enter that. Okay, the system will capture the information as per the my receipt. Okay, as per the my receipt. Okay, I have received 500 pieces of this product, 10 items, and 5,000 pieces of second item.
yeah,
Discussions and actuations. Okay,
yeah,
so I will be verifying that the amount and the price. Suppose I got like different price in the invoice what we agreed in the PO. I will be entering that. The system will be validated that the PO prices and invoice prices which is verified, and is that good or bad? Is something which is wrong or something, it will be validated. Okay. So I'll be entering that. I will be entering manually how much quantity we got invoice and what is the price which is. Okay.
yeah,
So along with this one, this is the actually product cost. But additionally, we have the tax also,
yeah,
right? So that tax information also you need to be select here. Okay. How much it is like domestic input tax and everything. Okay. You need to be select here. Okay. Then the system will be calculating that out on a total amount. What is the tax value?
yeah.
Okay. So
Is it?
then, yeah.
No, no, no. Sorry. So you have to put in the own local tax amount, whatever it applies in
Yeah.
your area.
Come again. Sorry. I didn't do.
The tax amount is the percentage we enter is whatever applies locally.
Huh, okay. So in invoice, when you get the invoice, okay, the tax
Yeah,
amount also will get. So it is already you discussed with the vendor when you creating the order, because he the if it is a if it is he the from the your area, okay, maybe your state, then there is a different tax. If it is different
yeah,
state, then it is a different tax. So in the
yeah,
purchase order, when you are entering the purchase order, when you are creating the purchase order, you can see that in the invoice tab there is a tax code. Okay,
yeah,
so there itself you can enter, or you can enter that based on the your invoice, you can enter here the tax code. Okay,
yeah,
so
yeah,
that tax information will be calculated automatically. Okay,
yeah,
now select item, okay, and balance amount. Okay, so I just need
yeah,
to copy, I need to be copy here and paste it. So I don't want to be copy the negative sign, I will be only copy the positive sign, because
yeah,
so I need to be okay as per that amount, the total invoice value is this much of the value.
yeah,
Clear?
yeah,
So when it is coming green color, then looks good. Okay, you can post, can be posted. So there is no corrections here. Okay, so you
yeah,
can click on the simulate to document to see that whether all it's good or not. Okay, so you can see that, okay, I need to pay amount to the vendor, this is the vendor, okay, this is the amount I have to pay, okay, and I have received goods receipt, okay, so this is 50,000 one cost and 5 lakhs it is one cost, and there is a tax information, it is there, that is the tax information. So this information will go to finance team for the furtherly they will pay the amount. Okay,
yeah.
now I'll be posting this one. So it will check that all the verifications, all these things, and it will be posted. Okay. So what we did as of now,
We entered.
the document which is posted. Okay, this is the document number. If you want to see, you can go to display. Okay, select the display of the invoice, and you can go to display of this. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is
Then
the transaction code MIR4 display of the invoice document.
MIR4
MIR4 is the MIR4 is the I'll close this one.
display.
So MIR4 is the display of the invoice. Okay.
Yeah, display invoice.
Okay. MIR.
What's is there change invoice? MIR3?
No, once you posted, you cannot change.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So either you need to be cancelled or you can do the display. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you mistakenly posted, then you have to be cancelled that invoice. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, in the process of, okay, I will go to process now. Okay. If you remember that initially we discussed one process, P2P cycle. If you remember that,
Yeah. Procurement to pay.
okay. So if you see that, the first thing is determination of the requirement. So that means purchase requisition we created, identification of the requirement. Did you remember that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Identification.
Yeah. So the determination of the requirement, that is the purchase requisition we created. This is the purchase requisition, identification of the requirement. Then source determination. So in the source determination, what we did, we have created the RFQ, quotations, price comparison. Then we selected the vendor,
Yeah.
right? Then we prepared the PO and processed that, right?
Yeah. We
Okay. And we posted the invoice. Sorry, we posted the goods receipt. We received that. Okay.
yeah.
And we verified the invoice, right?
Yeah.
So the next one is the finance team will be processing the payment.
So once the invoice verified, we pay them.
Yeah, once we verified that, okay, once we verified the invoice team, that means the payment processing team, maybe finance team and all, they will check and they will be paid amount.
And
Okay,
the vendor will send us the invoice, right?
vendor, sorry,
The vendor will send the invoice.
yeah, this is the vendor invoice, right?
Yeah.
This is the vendor invoice we verified. Okay, whatever we are,
Yeah.
and we entered into system, then we are next step is payment.
Yeah.
Payment is nothing but like okay, you paid amount, the customer,
Yeah.
I am paid amount. Okay, that's like, okay,
Oh, so how much is owed?
yeah, how much it is there in the verified invoice, that we paid amount. So this payment will be done by finance team.
Yeah. Finance team.
Okay, it's not our job. Okay,
Yeah.
finance team will pay the amount. Okay,
Yeah.
clear?
Yeah.
Any questions here?
No.
Okay,
But is this step 8 for also vendor known? Same. It's the same one.
same one, vendor known
Yeah.
also. Once you did the goods
Invoice.
shape, okay, you'll be doing the invoice
Invoice.
verification. Okay, then my RO, then
And then the payment.
step 5 is the
Or
payment.
display the invoice. Yeah, same thing. Yeah. Payment.
Yeah,
Payment.
display it's okay. Display whether you want to see, then you can see. Other than that,
Yeah.
it's okay. It's not
Yeah.
a step. It's not a step. Okay, it's just like
Yeah.
a display. Okay, you are not
Mm.
doing any action here. You just checking that. Okay,
Yeah.
clear?
Yeah.
So this is the complete P2P cycle process. Okay,
Yeah.
this is the complete cycle P2P process. Okay, procurement cycle process. Clear?
Yeah.
So can we recall that again? Once again, what we did?
Yeah. So for first step was for vendor unknown. The same thing. It was
No, no, leave
the
it about the vendor known. Let's leave it about that. General process. General how
oh,
it will come. Okay, for the first
the,
step is,
the first step is determination of the requirements. So
yeah, so
the
that is the purchase
purchase
requisition.
requisition.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the transaction code? Purchase requisition.
ME 51 and
Yeah,
ME
ME51.
52
Yeah,
ME 50.
yeah. So ME51N and ME52N and ME53N. create,
Yeah.
change, and display. Okay.
Yeah.
Then next step 2.
And then we do the request for quotation
Okay. Request for
for the
quotation. We are
the
we are sending
short.
this information. Whatever the requirement it is there, we are sending this information to vendor to get the price
Yeah.
quotation. Right? So
So
what is
yeah,
the transaction code? RFQ.
ME41,
ME40.
ME40, ME43.
Okay. ME43. Okay. Now step 3.
Step three is the price quotation, maintain the price
Yeah. Maintain.
quotation,
Yeah. Maintain
vendor
quotation. Yeah.
selection,
Maintain quotation. Okay. So what is the transaction code?
ME 47, yeah.
Okay. ME47. Okay. Then step 4. Then what we
Uh,
do?
then, then once we have the quotations from multiple vendors, we compare which one is the most beneficial to us, to our company using it. So we do
Price.
the price comparison for the quotation,
Correct. So what is the transaction code? Price comparison.
ME49.
ME49. Okay. Then step 5. So what we did as of now, we got the requirement and we selected the vendor. Okay. This is the process for vendor selection, right?
Yeah.
So you can see. Okay. So this completely process is for what? Vendor selection, right?
Yeah.
This three steps for the vendor selection. Okay. If you know vendor, then you can skip this one. Okay.
Yeah. So this is only for vendor unknown.
Yeah, this is for the vendor selection. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is for identification of the requirement. Okay. Just a minute.
Identification of quotation.
This is for the identification of the requirement. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is for the identification of requirement.
Yeah.
Okay. So vendor selection
Yeah.
is completed. Then I have the vendor, I have the requirement. Then I can order.
So,
I can
yeah.
order
So
the
now
product.
we know who it is. So we create the purchase order.
Raising the order to vendor.
Yeah.
That is called PO.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Create. Yeah.
Create PO. So what is the transaction code?
ME21 and ME22 and ME23 and
Yeah, ME22 and ME23 and okay. Create to change display. Okay. Okay. So
yeah.
again, you can cut this and you can put like okay, raising the
Yeah.
order to vendor. Okay. Now what is the step 6?
Now that we've already made the order to the vendor, we verify that we verify the goods as like the payment, so it's goods receipt.
Yeah. So the step is the goods received. We are receiving the stock and verifying the stock. Okay. All these
Yeah,
things.
we're
So now,
verifying that yeah,
so what is the transaction code?
ego.
Migo. MIGO. Okay. So what we'll do here?
We verify the stock and then the verified is what we ordered.
Okay. So we are receiving the stock, then verify the stock. Okay.
Yeah,
Receiving receiving stock and verify the quantity.
yeah.
Verify the quantity. Okay.
There's a quantity and quality.
The quality will be different again. Okay.
Oh,
Quality. If you want to check the quality, then there will be a separate team, quality
oh,
management. Okay.
oh,
So this is we will verify only quantity and the stock. Okay.
yeah.
Now step 6. Step 7.
Now that we now that the goods have arrived, we have to verify the vendor's invoice.
Yeah. So what are the we received? Okay. When invoice received, that we will be verifying that. Okay. So what is the
Yeah.
transaction code?
Miro. Yeah.
Yeah. So Miro. Okay.
and then displaying the invoice to check the items received or how much we
Yeah.
received is MIR4.
Yeah, verify the quantity uh, and price, okay, and amount, total amount, okay.
Yeah.
All we will be verifying tax information, everything. I will be verifying that, okay.
Yeah.
So how you are verifying here?
We go
How?
to
So
MIR4 and then
yeah, so invoice level, if you verifying the quantity, so what is the base? What is the base? What is the reference document you are verifying for the quantity?
the purchase order
No,
or the invoice.
no, I am verifying the quantity. Verify
So
the
we look,
quantity. Where you get the quantity? So in the goods receipt level, you are how much received. Suppose there is a parcel amount also, parcel quantity, full quantity. Okay, so lump sum quantity which we received, right? So
yeah,
when you are verifying the invoice, you are checking that how much quantity you received. Okay,
yeah,
you are checking the GR quantity here. Okay,
yeah,
clear?
yeah.
So
Also goods. Wait,
got a point
uh,
here in invoice shape when you are entering the quantity. Okay, so if it is wrong or right, if they sent, suppose let's say you received that, okay, you order something 10 laptops. Okay, now
yeah,
you received only two laptops only. You received only two laptop, but you ordered the 10 pieces. Okay, then you received only two laptops. Then I received an invoice for the 10 laptops. So you
oh
are you accepting?
no, because
No, right?
I only received two, so I
Because
wouldn't.
you received only two laptops, then invoice also should be two laptops only. How it comes like a 10 PO,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
Clear? So
Oh, that's why you okay.
okay. So GR
That's why
quantity, yeah.
wait,
So you need to be
so that's why
verified.
it's called invoice verification. So
Yeah.
is it? Oh, okay.
Okay. So if
Does
it is
that?
because
Sorry,
you
sorry.
you if you're not aware about that how much quantity you received, then it is very difficult to pay amount also because you don't know whether you received or not, or whether might be I didn't receive anything, maybe I am received zero, and but I got invoice. Are you ready to pay?
No.
No, right? So always you have to be verified at how much quantity which is received. Okay, so that is the
Yeah.
GR quantity. Then price where you will get
Price then will come after
price.
the
Price will be verifying from PO
yeah,
because when you are ordering that, okay, you know that, okay, the product cost, because he agreed that, okay, I will give that $10,000. Okay, so
yeah,
for all 10 laptops I can give it to $10,000. Okay,
yeah,
that means per one per one product how much it is cost? It's like $1,000.
yeah,
$1,000 per one piece. Okay,
yeah,
so now, GR I received. In the GR, I can see only the quantity, how much we received the quantity, but I cannot see
yeah,
that values. Okay, because we agreed in the PO level. What is the price? The vendor is accepted that based on the price comparisons, everything. The vendor is accepted that he is ready to give that $1,000 per piece.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, so while you are verifying the invoice, you also need to be looking to that what is the price they entered. So as per the agreed price, so this is the agreed price.
Agreed price.
This is
So
the agreed price.
sometimes the vendor doesn't always agree. The vendor will agree to the price, but they don't always send the right quantity, right? That's why?
Mm, okay. So you're talking about the partial quantity.
Uh, uh, no, sorry. I think my question.
Uh, You're
Sorry, never mind. Never mind. Never mind.
okay, okay. So you're talking about the some price change. You are talking about.
No, I just thought that the like let's say like you said. we ordered 10 laptops, but we only received two. And that's why we're not gonna accept the invoice for 10. So then we
No,
verify the
see,
quantity.
suppose, see, now, what vendor is said that two laptops I will deliver on 05th May, okay, and then I will be remaining 8 laptops I will supply on the might be on 10th,
Yeah,
okay. So maybe in this case, what will happen? Okay, you are received one invoice at the time of 2 laptops, and you received a laptop at one time of the 8 laptops. So there is the two invoices here. So this is the one invoice one, okay, and here
yeah.
invoice two.
So you have two separate invoices.
Yeah. So when
Okay.
I'm receiving the invoice one, okay, so I will be checking that. Okay, I received the 2,000 two pieces. Okay, two pieces into my order price. What is the cost of the order price? 1,000 pieces. So 1,000 rupees per one piece. Okay, that means it is
Yeah,
a 2,000 rupees, $2,000 I have to pay.
yeah,
Okay, so this is the verification here. So I am verified the quantity from the GR, how much we received, and the price from the PO.
yeah,
Okay, the same
yeah,
way here. Okay, when I received the 8 laptops, okay, I received the 8 laptops, I verified from the GR, then the price which is from the PO, because he agreed already, I am ready to give for the 1,000 pieces, $1,000.
yeah,
Okay, okay, so then it is like $8,000.
yeah.
Okay,
For that, just for the second month. Yeah,
okay, so here what is the point is, okay, what is the point here? The quantity you are verifying from the GR and price which is verifying from the PO. Okay,
yeah,
are you agreed that GR
yeah,
quantity you are verifying from the GR and price you are verifying from the PO. Okay,
yeah.
so this we called GR based IV.
GR
GR
base level,
based IV. So that
base
means
line.
based IV. So verification. This
Oh,
is the GR. So what is the meaning of the GR based IV? Okay, based on the GR quantity we are verifying the invoice.
okay.
Okay, what's the concept here? GR based IV. Okay, this is the
Yeah.
three-way check. So we can say like three-way check.
So verify the goods received based on invoice.
Yeah,
Verify the
so
invoice
three,
based on goods received.
yeah, three-way check is nothing but like based on PO price. Okay, I'm verifying the invoice, and based on the GR, I'm verifying the invoice. GR
Yeah,
quantity, I'm verifying this one. So there is a three factor sequence. One is factor is PO price, and the second factor is GR. The third factor is invoice. So this is
yeah,
three-way check. PO, GR, IR. Okay,
yeah,
clear?
yeah,
So this is the concept of the PO, GR, IR three-way check. Okay. So please practice this process steps, all the things. Okay. Try to
yeah,
try to change the delivery dates. Try to change the quantities. Do the partial quantity, full quantity. Okay.
yeah.
Then observe that what.
Awesome.
Okay. So just
Yeah.
do this one. So we'll continue tomorrow this one. Okay.
Okay.
So once you completed this completely the system, then it's very easy to you understand the other process.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this is a standard normal process. Okay.
P2P.
P2P
Standard
process.
P2P.
Process. Standard and P2P process. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clear?
Oh, yeah.
Okay then. So we'll continue tomorrow then. Okay.